freaking cool, man. Downtown Idaho Falls, man. I've never been into the downtown. It's pretty big downtown here. Way bigger than I thought. We can stop wherever you want. Let me look at the map.
Okay.
Oh man. When we stopped over there at Harley, Levi noticed a bit of oil dripping out, so oil leak going on in here.
Okay, now come check it, bro.
We're gonna swing down and grab some oil. I think Levi's oil leak is just an overfill.
Slightly overfull.
Hopefully. They don't have quarts of this oil. They only sell it in liters, so we're gonna have to make do with that. Still trying to get into camp. We've got about 4 hours of sunlight and we've got about 2.5 hours still to get to our preferred destination area. So we're gonna try to get this oil and haul ass down the highway. You ready to do it?
Yeah. We're gonna get this.
Wow-wee, man. Finally made it out of town, basically. As we climb up in our elevation, the weather's definitely turning for the worse. Not too bad yet, but definitely gonna have some rain to contend with in our future. We are finally up into the Sawtooths. It's pretty spectacular. Hey Levi.
What's up, man?
Got wood?
All right.
$42, $43. There is almost 40 aircraft.
Some shit's fucking going down, bro.
Nah, I think they're just moving. And now our beverages have gone rogue in the river. Levi is no longer in charge of the beverage containment. Like, that would have been a good spot for him right there. Oh my God. We managed to dump both of our motorcycles. Donna ended up on her side with one little bit of carnage just while we were trying to set up our sleeping arrangements. I forgot how soft the ground we were on is, and it didn't take a minute to put up a freaking rock. So that's some pretty swift water, Levi. You put them on the other side of this bush upstream?
Yeah, and then it's fucking
right, we got to get the high-powered light out here. Anyway, it's been fun. We're having a good time. No way. You found all 4 of our... Oh my God. Awesome, dude. Wow. Luckily they're all together, huh? I am shocked, dude. I'm shocked that you found those. Look at that big guy. We're going to be inundated with arachnids overnight.
That's fucking delicious, man.
You're an animal.
In my opinion. I think we were okay on the oil, like you said.
Yeah, good.
Do you like your steak rare?